many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined.
It's Luca Rocks here, and we're back to a new video.
Alright, so exams are done. What are you doing? Okay, yeah. Alright, exams are over. Now we're just stopping at my house to get a pair of shoes. Then we're gonna pick up Matt and then go. What are you doing? Huh?
I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this.
Tech Rocks vlogs, Tech Rocks vlogs.
Happy to be in the vlog?
Yeah, I'm very happy to be in the vlog. Top 3.
Yeah, I'm at the hype. Oh. Hi. Oh, that's cute.
It's your sexy boy.
Let me record, I want to. Hi guys, I love you all and I'm so happy to be in the vlog.
Where are we going first?
Kenshi.
I'm going to Kenshi first.
And Off-White, then Louboutin.
Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong. One shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more. And I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone.
I'm thinking about this jacket.
So, like, yeah, I'll take it.
Waiting until I sell my box logo, then buying that. Tell the vlog what you got.
Bape Champion bag, and then I have a Bape shirt,
Yeah,
shirt, and then
Bape shirt.
boxers. I got it.
Oh yeah, fire. I'm gonna sell my box logo, come back, and probably buy that, either that jacket. That jacket was so nice. That jacket
show
was
them
so
all the
nice.
little kids, they're scaring me.
Bro, they're scaring me, bro. Okay, no, but for real, that store it's a solid store.
Yeah. It's okay. Man, it's actually nice.
We're heading to Off-White right now. I really like that jacket though. That Bape jacket was really, really nice. What? I assume they don't like filming here, so I'm gonna be very discreet. Right now I'm looking at buying this Off-White hoodie. This is so fire. Only $2.25. Alright, we ripped on down to Yonge and Dundas where Hotbox is and Essential and Deep Drop and everything. We ripped down there in a cab. I just sold the box logo for $4.50. I think it's a pretty fair price for anyone trying to resell it. But I needed the money, so it's okay. Now we're just gonna go around. Alright.
Thank you.
Alright, so we just sat down. We're having sushi at like this all-you-can-eat place. We all like steak and shit. Yeah.
You're so gay. You're gay. Off-White, buddy. Like Off-White. Like top 3. Like
Alright, lunch is over. $20. Pretty good. Anything, the entire lunch.
Oh my god, I'm vlogging. Hey guys.
Hey, you might want to zoom out.
There we go. Road to 500 subscribers.
Hey, recording? Yeah.
And today we're gonna just kick off the day with a nice Harvey's or something. Like Off-White, Jordans.
So far, all we've copped today, I haven't copped anything. I just sold my black on black box logo for a good price, $4.50. What'd you buy?
Bape backpack, sold that. Bape tee, sold that.
So everything we bought today we sold. So really, we haven't really bought
I got
anything.
Supreme boxers.
Oh yeah, you got one pair of Supreme boxers. I might buy a pair of those when I go to Kenshi.
I'll buy the rest.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Tech Rocks. Tech Rocks gay. He likes men.
Telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back that will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with. I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are